Do you know, in the near future, we can access web pages, download films, make purchases and engage in other internet activities without being traced to your true identity or taking any risks? Have you heard about what Web 3.0 is? And why do a lot of people believe that it will change the world? We're here to discuss all of these in this video, but before knowing what Web 3.0 is, let me tell you a little about Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. Between 1991 and 2004, the internet was made up of static websites that only displayed content. It was called Web 1.0 or read-only. Basically, it was like just one giant hyperlinked Wikipedia that you couldn't log in or interact with the post. Then in 2004, Web 2.0 came. Until now, Web 2.0, or the internet's interactivity, we do not only receive information from the web, but the web also receives information from us. Centralized companies like Facebook, Instagram and Google searches collect information from us so that they could give us better content in the future. And the longer we remain on their website, the more money is intended for them. Now, the news of a new web coming that's called Web 3.0 is everywhere. It's developed to continuously fulfill the needs of the internet while also giving accurate data and differentiating between real and fake data or transactions. Decentralization is a key component of Web 3.0, which implies that consumers would fully own the data they produce. This makes it possible for consumers or data producers to exchange or trade data with full control without risking their privacy or even depending on brokers. And amazing features like the NFTs have swept the internet with the birth of Web 3.0. We all know that NFTs have more potential than just digital art. They can also be used to buy virtual lands in the metaverse. And Web 3.0 makes this possible. Let's see what other changes Web 3.0 brings into our world. Warwolves Army NFTs can evolve into a significant tool and key component of Web 3.0 and the metaverse, which would in turn position Self-Key as one of the leading digital identity providers of Web 3.0 and the metaverse.